Good morning.
Good morning.
I'll be taking you through fundamentals of accounting and accounting principles. And so I'll take the register. Are you all in? Evans?
Present.
Evan?
Present.
Anne?
Present.
Alfred?
Present.
Anton?
Present.
Ernest?
Present.
So we are going to start. Today is the 25th October 2025. Introduction. Accounting principles. Under this session, you have to learn what comes. Which are the things that at the end of the session you are supposed to be doing. So receive the definition of accounting principles. Now the examples of accounting principles. And then we see the importance. The key principles. And the effects of accounting principles on financial statements. And so I'll go straight to accounting principles. What are accounting principles? When you try, we can say accounting principles are a set of rules and guidelines that companies must follow when preparing and presenting their financial statements. And so I'd like to hear from you the examples of accounting principles. One of the examples. Yes.
Very concerned.
The example actually, I mean, the principles that are accepted worldwide, like the GAP. Another GAP includes general accepted accounting principles. Another one, try.
IFRS.
Yes. Who can say it in full? These are the international financial reporting standards. And now we go to the importance. What are the importance of accounting principles? The importance of accounting principles. One of the importance is
they help in comparability.
we have comparability. What can we say under comparability? Yes.
Okay. By the use of accounting principles, the financial statements of one company can be compared to the other.
Yeah. You can compare the financial statements of companies. Another importance. Yes.
We can talk about consistency.
Consistency. Yes. Consistency. Accounting principles provide a framework that ensure financial statements are prepared consistently over time to make it easier for investors and analysts to compare financial performance across different periods. So you can capture the financial statements across the period over time. Another importance, we have transparency. Transparency. This is where we are here to the company presents the true and fair view of financial position, reducing the risk of misinterpretation and fraud. And now we are going to see the key principles. The key principles. And here I would like to hear from each and every one of us the key principle of accounting. The key principle. Key principles. What are the key principles? You can help me. Yes, going concern concept. Another principle.
Cost principle.
Cost principle. And then, yes.
Matching principle.
Matching principle. And then we have
The accrual
accrual principle. Then
Consistency principle.
yes. What can you say under the going concern principle? Is that financial statements are prepared with the assumption that the company will continue to operate independently unless there is evidence of the contrary. Who can try other cost principle? What can we say?
All assets and expenses are recorded at the original purchase price. That's the correct accounting value.
And what about the margin principle?
Expenses should be recorded in the same accounting period as revenue.
Expenses should be
Recorded in the same accounting period as the revenues they had generated.
should be recorded in the same period with the revenues
They
they
generate.
generate. That's good track. And the accrual principle. Yes, sir.
The accrual principle says that expenses and revenue should be recorded when they are incurred and not when cash is received.
When revenues and
And expenses are incurred.
expenses are incurred. Cons- Talk about the last one. Then talk about comparability. This is where the accountants apply accounting principles and procedures and practice from period to period, comparable from company to company. And again, this company, you find the same principle they are using. The balancing and balance sheet in this company, the other company, too, they are balancing the balance sheet. So we like to see the effects of accounting principles on financial statements. You can see that the accrual method of accounting, proper report of revenue, expenses on the income statement, assets and liabilities on the balance sheet. Revenue reported on the income statement. So the income statement and statement of comprehensive income, those are recorded. The record is in the balance sheet. And then the statement of stakeholders or the owners, equity, statement of cash flows, notes to the financial statements. After we have seen the effects of accounting principles on financial statements, let us see what we have seen so far. We have seen what our accounting principles are, and we have said the accounting principles are set of rules that guide the companies must follow when preparing and presenting financial statements. And so we have seen the examples of the accounting principles, and we have seen the general accepted accounting principles. We have seen the international financial reporting standards. We have seen the importance of accounting principles. These are transparency, comparability. That's it. And then finally, we have seen the key principles of accounting. We have seen the going concern concept, the gross principle, margin principle, accrual principle. And so, what have we learned so far? Anyone think that you have learned so far? Yes? The key principles of accounting, can you name one? Going concern concept. And so, in the next lesson, write down this assignment. Research in groups of two examples of accounting principle. You have the assignment. Examples, more examples. Good. Accounting principles. So go and search more on the examples of accounting principles, and I shall collect the assignment on the next session. Out of this.
Thank you.